Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube automotive channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to replace master power window switch on 2012 Ford F150. To complete this job we're gonna use a prying tool, preferably plastic, so we don't damage the corners here or the door trim, and a flathead screwdriver. So we're gonna start in this corner and we're gonna try to pry this plastic bezel. And now we're gonna switch to this side. We can simply just pull it out. So at this point we'll have to just unplug these connectors here. So to unplug those connectors, you just want to press on the tab here and then pull it out. Kind of need to wiggle it a little bit, and the same thing with the small black one. Now to remove a power window switch, we're gonna use flathead screwdriver, and we'll have to pry this bezel out of that plastic, so we can pull the, and there is also another side. So to remove that power window switch, if you see those holes here, two on this side and two on the other side, one here and one is here. So you'll have to pry this plastic out a little bit so you can remove your power window switch, and then you can just when you have a new one, you can just click it back in and plug all these plugs back in. Now everything is back in place with a brand new switch, and this job is completed. Thanks for watching.